What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another recap video. Today is November the 2nd, 2021, and we have another market recap for the E-mini S&P futures. And yeah, today was a pretty low range day. However, I had a pretty bad trading day yesterday. I wasn't trading terribly, just that I had 3 full stops yesterday, down 900 for the day. So pretty much after 3 full stops, I stopped trading, just to ensure that I don't take any further risk. I'm not in a good mental place to take on further risk, so I usually just stop after 3 full stop trades. So that's my rule. But today, coming in today, I told myself that I shouldn't let yesterday's trading or the outcome of yesterday's trading influence my mental game today. And I'm glad I'm able to say that I didn't let that come into my mind at all. I totally didn't think about it, which is good because you want mental clarity when it comes down to trading during the day. Like, you don't want to let past performance or a loss influence any of your trades or how long you hold a trade and whatnot. So yeah, I'm really happy I was able to do that and just block that out. So today opened a very small range of about a 3 and 4 point range here, and then I was waiting to see who was in control. Like I said in my previous videos, I'm trying really hard to be patient and understand and wait to see who's in control first before I take action. So it opened 4 point range. I bursted up here, impulsed up. I waited for a pullback here to the opening range high, about 10.5, and I got long. So got long, scaled plus 3 points right away, held, and today's action was pretty grindy. Like, it was a grind up, and it was really tough being patient to hold for our targets. So my second target here was at 18.5, just ahead of 19.5, which was the overnight all-time high. So I held there. I got out at 18.5, which is good. And then it just grinded and chopped and grinded pretty much for the whole day. I mean, it held VWAP quite well, and it had all these like sweeps, slow sweeps down. I wouldn't call it a sweep, but it's basically these down candles, red candles, or consistent drop. Like, it would have a very shallow pullback up, so it just kept dropping and dropping. But it held VWAP fairly well and mid very well. And it got up to here, probably about the 26 area here. I didn't get out. I was actually really targeting the 30 mark, seeing that at that point, relative volume looked like it was starting to increase and started to pick up some speed. And also at that point, I think the range for the day was, this is about 21 points, 21 and a half point range. So that's very low. Usually, I mean, I was expecting at least a 30 something point range, which would bring us to about 30 here, or 30 to 33. So I was holding out for that, and I held out through the whole day, and it grinded and grinded, and I tried really, really hard to let my runner reach target. And because when your trade is working for you, you want to let that last little piece of your trade really run and work for you, because that's where you're going to really gather the gainers, like really build up your account while the trade's working for you. And also it helps give you a better profit factor and R factor. So I tried really hard to stay patient and try to hold for that 30, but I never got there. Market was closing here, and I just got out. It just wouldn't move anymore, so I got out at about 21 or so, 21 and a half, I think. So yeah, I mean, overall a bullish skewed up day. You can see the volume profile is a P shape, so reverse P here. So I was just wasn't lucky enough to hit my target, and I didn't get out here at the 1.5 time IB, so that's just how it goes. But I'm overall happy that I didn't let yesterday's training results get into my head, and I'm really happy today that I was able to hold my runner and just be patient and let things work when the trade's in my favor. In hindsight, of course, I could have added here a mid and VWAP again in here, again here. I have this trend line up here, which I was using for my risks. So pretty much if I had an impulse down and it bounced up and it couldn't get past this trend line, I was gonna just flatten the trade. But it held but it never pushed up further. So that's unfortunate, but that's just how it goes. So yeah, pretty good day. I held all day long, and my P&L here was $625, and yeah, fairly happy with it. Yeah, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.